Hi all, welcome back to SQL with Ravimartha. In the last session, we have installed Python. Now we are going to install IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment, for running the Python or for developing the Python code. For that, go to your browser and just type Pycharm, and you'll see this particular link, jetbrains.com. So just click on the Python, this Pycharm, just click that. Now you'll see a download button here. So we have two editions, one is professional edition and community edition, and you can, based on your OS version, you can choose it, Windows, Mac and Linux. So let's click on Windows as we're going to install on Windows. So we have community edition, so let's go ahead with the community version. So click on download. So it will start downloading, and we don't need to provide this, it's not mandatory. So it may take 1 minute. Let me pause my recording. Okay, so let me open this file. So it opens the wizard, the .exe file. Just click on yes. It opens the file. So just click on yes and click next. So we can choose the destination path. So I'm fine with it. Program files, JetBeans, and this particular folder. So it needs 731 MB, which is quite huge. So click next. So it's a 64-bit launcher, let it be. And I don't want to add folder as project. I don't want to associate .py files. You can check this, add launchers directory to the path. Click next. So JetBeans, click on next. So it will install. So it will show all the details, like what all it's installing. So it will extract all those files. You could see there are a lot of jar files. So it has given two options, reboot now. I want manually reboot later, so let's do that. Now if you go to this desktop, we have Pycharm here on the desktop. Just double click that. This is a shortcut which is added. So JetBeans Community Edition. Just these are the terms and conditions. Just click on I confirm that I have read this one, and click next. I don't want to share the data, don't send. That's it. So it starts opening. So this is projects. So I want to click on a new project. I want to say Python projects. Python project, let it be. I don't want to use virtual environment. I want to go with the previously configured interpreter. So just click on this ellipsis button here, these three dots here, and go to the system interpreter. We have installed the Python under C program files Python 39 python.exe. So just we'll use the system interpreter. Click on OK. And I just want to create my own file. So I'm not going with the default one. Click create. That's it. It'll load the project. So this is the project, and it will show the tips if you want. You can just enable it or just click close. So if you want to create a new file, so click on the Python project and click on new and click on Python file. Right, let me show it again. Python project, right click on this, click on new and click on Python file. So I want to name it as demo, and I want to choose it as a Python file. So it will add an extension .py, demo.py. So for now, let's write a program. Print We have successfully installed Pycharm. So it has given the message, we have successfully installed the Pycharm. And one thing is to be noted is that Python is case sensitive. For example, if you type capital P and it will give a red squiggly line here, that means this is not a unresolved reference print, right? So Python is case sensitive. So in the next session, we will start writing program and we'll learn about Python. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for your time. Have a great day. Please like my video and do subscribe. Thank you for watching my video.